Okay, we're live. We're gonna start with our raffle right now for a book giveaway. The way this thing is going to work is as follows. We will be selecting people randomly out of a list of our retweets and followers, and from there, what we're gonna do is make sure to send direct messages to these folks, the lucky ones, and we will be asking for addresses and names, and we will give a certain amount of time to each one of you. So if you are the first winner, we're gonna send you a direct message asking for your name and the address, and if you don't respond within the first hour, we'll go to the second one and the third one, etc. So that will be the procedure right now. I'm gonna start sharing my screen. El container. So this is the code that we use to select our winners. I'm gonna do it live in a second, but just for everyone to know and to have a good understanding, we've also built this quick tutorial that uses TweetPy. It's the Python library to access Twitter's API. So you can check the code and see how it works and how we're selecting all our winners. So there is a little bit of more transparency there too. So let's get started. This is the live notebook. You can always access this code just by forking the current code that they have right here. So I'm gonna go to live Twitter raffle. There you go. And I will be running this code. I need to hit install v5 first. You can install any libraries you want in our notebooks. Twitter utils. And now we're gonna read the credentials from the file system, so there are no problems. And this is a tweet ID that we're looking for. It's actually this tweet that you guys will see in a second right here. This is a tweet that we are promoting. It's live on our page. And as we said, the only requirements are to follow us and to retweet this tweet. So from now, what I'm gonna do is just select 5 people that will earn this book that we are raffling. There you go. So we have Tom Morgan first. That's the first one right here. Tom Morgan, Doc Brown, Yu-Gi-Oh, Kiki, and Pat Harris. So Tom, I don't know if you're watching, I will be direct messaging to you on Twitter, and from there, if you reply, we are gonna send you the book. We need to just your address and your name so we can ship the units, and that will be all of that. Remember, you can always access this tutorial, that one we're currently working with, in our notebooks. We will be posting the link again, and you can just fork, and all the code is going to be there, so you can play around with Twitter's API. That's it. Thank you for watching, all of you, and remember to follow us and to stay tuned for next raffles.